everyone! My name is Tallin, and I will be showing you RPG Maker MV. This is the first episode, maybe, of the RPG Maker MV tutorial. Yay! So, let's create a new project by pushing this button. That's the first thing you want to do. So, and then name it something. I'll call it Tallin. Tallintown. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. There. It's copying files. This might take a while, or it might not. I'm not even speeding this up, guys. Okay, so... Alright, let's wait for this to... There. So now that we have our project created, that took about 10 seconds, let's discuss the buttons up here. So, first button is open a new project. You can use that to open new projects, like I have all my projects here. And then there is the save project button. That just simply saves your project, so you don't lose any changes. Then there are these four mysterious buttons. And then there is mapping mode button where you can draw on everything by clicking. But we'll discuss that after the buttons. So, there is event mode where you can create cool events. But we'll be discussing that later also. And then switching back to mapping mode, because there are lots of awesome tools there. There is this rectangle select tool and the oval select tool. These are helpful when you want to select big areas that are shaped like a rectangle or an oval. Let's just hit undo on both of those, or Control Z. I usually like hitting Control Z. Oh, by the way, for the pencil draw tool, you need to select tile first. So if I were to select this tile would be here. If I were to select this tile. Oh, and by the way, I love that tile. Now let's just select the normal tile and just get all of this out. Alright, even my favorite tile. Bye-bye for now. Alright. Now, this is the full This is the full pink bucket type tool. If you're familiar with any other like image editing software, this would be the paint bucket tool, I'm pretty sure. This is the shadow tool. You can draw awesome shadows on 1/4 of a tile. That is one tile, see? I'll show you that it's one tile. Let me just select a tile. And, oh, I'm in this mode, okay. Here. Oh, it gets rid of it, so, okay, I can't show you, but, yeah, it is one tile. It is one tile, so let's just get rid of all of the stuff I just did, because that's not relevant to our game right now. And then there's zoom in and zoom out, and then there's the restore to normal view button. And then there's the database where everything is stored. Actors, classes, skills, items, weapons, armors, enemies, troops, states, animations, sales sets, common events, system, types, and terms. Yeah, there's quite a lot of stuff in the database. Yeah, there is a lot of stuff in the database. Yeah. So now, there is the plugin manager where you can manage all your plugins. You can add plugins and set them on or off and have help, and then edit parameters and everything like that. Then there's the sound button where you can listen to all your sounds. Quite a sound. Quite a sound, yeah. not to get carried away, but these sounds are quite awesome. Especially the battle one. I love the battle one. It's a great music. I could just sit here and listen to this for hours, but I'm sure you don't want to listen to this for more than half a minute. So, this is the search for events. This is where you can search for events in your map. Here is, I think these are all the images. I think this is the image thing. I'm not sure. This is the character creator. You can create characters. Yes, so it's pretty cool. And finally, last but not least, there is playtest game. Now let's save the changes to a game. Actually, let's just push the save button and then we're ready to go. Alright, let's push arrow keys to select different options, and then you can push space to go into the option. And look! There are characters. There are characters that we can walk, that I can walk on. That is pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. Yeah. It's just so awesome. I like all the formations of characters you can make happen. I think I get a bit carried away. Alright. Well, those are all the buttons. Now let's discuss mapping. So let's go and map a bit. So make sure you have a tile selected, you're on map mode, and you have the pencil selected. Let's just map out a bit of a nice ocean. Here, make it look like this is an island. Let's cover up that spot. And alright, so right there. There is our island. Oh, and yeah, so that's mapping. But I'm going to use something called a sample map. So let's right click here and make it load. And then, wow, look at all these amazing maps, sample maps. And I like the mountain village, so let's push OK on that. And as you can see, it's this beautiful map. For people who are just starting RPG Maker MV, or any RPG Maker for that matter, it's really useful to use this, this kind of little, the sample maps. Oh no, I don't want to ruin my perfect sample map. Alright, let's go down and let's see what we have. Okay, let's zoom out a bit, and whoa, this map is big. Yeah, so as you can see, look how tiny I'm drawing now. It looks so tiny. Oh, alright, undo that. Now let's go back into here. Now let's go 1-1, and now let's set the player's starting position. Now, to set the player's starting position, you go into event mode, exciting, and then you right click, set starting position, player. And then if we play test now, save changes, yes. We will be here, and this is quite a nice village. I like this village. This is actually what I used for my my most developed game, my VX game map. That's my most developed game that I made. I actually used the mountain village as a sample map. I really like the Mountain Village. I got a tutorial for that too. So, let's... Oh, and if you push X, this amazing menu will pop up, where you can do stuff like save your position. And let's go game end. Game end to title. And then let's options. Oh, I thought there was a game end option. Oh, always dash left in my phone. Wow, I love the title music. I love everything in this. But I'm sure you don't want to listen to the title music forever. So, again, let's go ahead and use this. And now, that is the first tutorial on RPG Maker MV. And bye-bye for now!